Yeah, I'm sure it's probably the first now. It's a big milestone actually has happened here. As you mentioned, that allows actually New Hampshire to invest in Bitcoin. A couple of things you mentioned. It needs to be a digital currency with a market cap of over $500 billion. De facto, this means only Bitcoin. Second, the state cannot invest more than 5% of its asset in Bitcoin. Frankly, this is it's very theoretical, but for sure the state is not going to invest more than 5% of Bitcoin. The two other points I think are quite interesting. One of them, it allows the state to either buy spot Bitcoin directly or invest via the ETF. Very likely, in my opinion, the ETF will be the choice here because it's easier. But in the event that it decides to buy Bitcoin directly, it could not only give it to a qualified custodian, but also self-custody. So very interesting how this has been put forward. This is obviously a very positive step in the U.S., especially following the strategic Bitcoin reserve announced by Donald Trump. It also comes basically when other states have tried to do the same thing. Arizona tried it, but the governor vetoed it. And there was two similar bills that were put forward in Florida that were subsequently withdrawn. So here, New Hampshire became the first state to authorize investments in Bitcoin. A big milestone. The big question here is not if others will follow, but when they will follow.
Are your children prepared for the future of money? Order Decoding Crypto with Henri and Hodler, the #1 new release kids book on Amazon.